Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to Don't Check My channel, and today we're gonna solve the Rubik's Cube. And yeah, this is not anything special. We're just gonna solve the cube cause I'm just sitting in my free time. Let's go and solve it. I'm gonna try to solve in the beginner's method cause only I know only this method. So it's gonna take some time. As you can see, this Rubik's Cube is unsolved. So we're gonna start solving it in 3, 2, 1. Yeah guys, I'm not the fast solver. It's gonna take some time. So wait and be patient. Guys, sorry for the noise which is coming from the outside. I'm not using any microphones. I'm just directly using my phone's audio. My personal best is at now 53 seconds, which is very bad, but considering a new solver, I think it's improving over time. Now what should I do? I think I do this. No? Yeah. Let's do this. Okay, we have our second layer. As you can see, now only about 30% to 40% of the cube is remaining. Let's see what we have here. Now it's almost solving. Cube is almost done, bro. Oh my god. Now to do this, guys, sorry for the camera condition. I'm just recording without any tripods or anything else. Please consider. Now as you can see, the cube has been solved fully. Hope you guys like the video. If you guys want to learn the new solving the Rubik's Cube, tell me in the comments. I will try to teach you guys. So guys, thanks for watching. Like the video, and if you are new to my channel, please also subscribe. It will help me out. Thanks for watching. Peace out.